For those of us here in the US, it's been at least a month since we've been staying home to stay safe, and one of the biggest changes in my personal daily routine has been switching to at-home workouts instead of going to the gym. It was a little bit of a struggle for me at first, but the truth is you can get a really effective at-home workout without a lot of equipment or space. And I've actually narrowed my at-home workout gear down to 4 cheap must-haves that I've been loving and using to stay on track. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miranda. Welcome to my channel where we usually talk about budget beauty. Today we're talking about budget fitness because it's definitely something that I'm sure we are all trying to figure out right now. If any of that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. All of the products I'm sharing today are also compact and available on Amazon, so let's get straight into it. First up, my most used at-home workout product is my exercise mat. I do a lot of floor exercises at home, whether that be following a Pilates video or doing simple strength moves like push-ups and leg ups. This specific exercise mat is my favorite. I love it because of how thick it is. It's actually from the Amazon Basics brand, and I own 2, one for outside and one that I only use inside. It's really cushy, so you get enough support whether you're doing your exercise on carpet or on hard floor, and it's held up for me really well even during intense moves like burpees, whether or not I'm wearing shoes. I use this exercise mat every single day. It's just a great way to kind of lay down the foundation for my exercise space. My next at-home workout favorite is a resistance tube or band with handles. This is an amazing alternative to having a bunch of strength equipment at home because you can replicate the moves that you would typically do with dumbbells or machines. You can work out every muscle using this. I often follow YouTube videos for full body workouts using the band, or I'll just do the same moves that I would typically do at the gym with free weights, such as bicep curls, bent over rows, tricep kickbacks, or weighted squats. This totally beats having a bunch of different dumbbells around, and you can pick an average resistance that works for you and increase it if you need to by making the slack shorter with your feet or your hands. I do also want to mention that there is a type of resistance band that is flat and in the shape of a loop, which you can do similar moves and then some with. They're typically available in affordable multi-packs, so you can have a range of resistance options. I personally prefer using the ones with handles just for stability and the moves that I like to do. It's more comfortable having a handle, but there are some moves that I do like having the loop version for, like bridge ups. Probably my favorite piece of at-home workout equipment is a simple jump rope. Jumping rope is an amazing way to get your heart rate up, burn some calories while working your entire body in the process. You can actually burn up to 10 to 15 calories per minute jumping rope depending on your body type. My favorite part of jumping rope is that you're doing a lot of moving without actually moving around, which means you don't need a lot of space to actually complete the workout. Plus, it's easy to roll up and store when it's not in use. Finally, to really make those abs burn, an ab roller is pretty inexpensive, and it's been said that using an ab roller is more effective than doing crunches. It also works the upper body because you're supporting your weight with your hands on the handles as you extend out. I know that I always feel it in my shoulders and arms when I'm doing the ab roller as well. Aside from using all of this at-home workout gear regularly, I'm also going on runs in the park when it's not too crowded. Running outside is one of the few things that is really helping me feel normal, so as long as I can do it safely, I'm trying to do it as much as possible. Tell me in the comments, are you doing at-home workouts right now? What's been helping you stay active while at home? I'm gonna leave a link to a blog post that I wrote with more at-home workout gear options, as well as updated in-stock links, because a lot of this stuff is selling out on Amazon, so I'm trying to update those links with in-stock items weekly. Today's shout out goes to Tracy. Thanks for being a member of the Slashed Squad, and join me over in this video next where I play with pastel makeup for spring. I'll see you over there. Bye!